Okay, so once you're in Kami, you click on the pancakes menu, and then you go to split and merge documents. Yeah, you don't need to write this down because I'm recording this. Oh, you do? Okay. Okay, so then you're out of luck. So now I'm gonna just put this over here, and I'm gonna change this to answer key. Okay, and then I'm going to click up here to export all. Yes, that's up to you. I'm just doing this for Miss Ansha to see the video. You guys can do it. Okay, so now this is in the drive. Over here, let me get rid of this. Okay, and it might be in my drive though. It may not be in, I might have to find it. Ooh, we did a lot of work, Miss Ria. Wow. Miss Ancha, I'm going to give you access to all this, so you have it. Okay, I can't. Maybe it is in the shared drive. Maybe it went in there. And I just can't find it right now. All right, I'll find it and I'll put it in here. I don't want to waste any more time. Anyway, that's how you do that.